are pleased to show you the 2013 Volkswagen Passat. The Volkswagen Passat is roomy and powerful. It is a supple and controlled ride with a quiet and comfortable ride. Volkswagen brings it all together. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player, rear window defroster, power windows, fog lights, security system, electronic stability control, compass, heated front seats, trip computer, overhead console, panic alarm, brake assist. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.